Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use an Apple gift card with Apple Pay by adding the App Store and iTunes Pass to your Apple Wallet. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once the App Store is open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. On the next screen, look for the section labeled iTunes Pass and tap Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Enter it and tap OK to continue. After that, tap Add iTunes Pass to Wallet. Tap Add to confirm, then tap Done once the process is complete. Now, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll see the App Store and iTunes Pass added there. This pass lets you view your Apple gift card balance and use it for purchases in the App Store, iTunes, Apple TV, Apple Music, and other Apple services. Keep in mind that the App Store and iTunes Pass is different from an iTunes Season Pass, which is only used for TV show seasons. And that's how you use an Apple gift card with Apple Pay by adding it to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.